Welcome student. Chain rule is very important in calculus. Where a sum is not in its standard form, we generally adopt the chain rule. You must learn it very carefully, unless this it is very difficult to work out the sum on differentiation. Let's start the chain rule. Chain rule is actually the substitution. Let us take the sum y equal to sine square 3x minus 2. See, this is not in standard form, so it is not in the normal formula, so we cannot differentiate it, so we have to substitute it. And after doing so, we continue the chain rule. After practice, you can mentally able to do so. Let's see what is going on. So we can write sine 3x minus 2 whole square. We are assuming, so we can write sine 3x minus 2 whole square. The entire part of the bracket let us assume as u. You can assume any value. And b equal to the 3x minus 2. Therefore y equal to u square just carefully mind it. More you will practice, you can be mastered in doing so. So dy by du, again du is there on the half, so du will seem to cancel. Now du by dv, again dv into dv, because dv is appeared to cancel, so finally it is dy dx. Now dy by dx is equal to ddu d by ddu of, it must be of the same parameter, so u square. Okay, so it is wrong. Let's check it. So see from here that y equal to, from the parent format of the sum, y equal to u square. So with respect to u, we have to write down u square. So it is in the standard form x to the power n format. Now ddv of sine v, because 3x minus 2 equal to v, so u equal to sine v we can write down. So what is being substituted is multiply. Just what if you substitute, then just continue to multiply the part of the substitutions. This is the chain rule. So u equal to sine v and dx of, see, every derivative is with respect to the same parameter, u with respect to u, v with respect to v. So sine v is a standard form, 3x minus 2 is also standard form. So the purpose of the chain rule to bring all the format under standard form, so that it is accessible to differentiation. So 2u cos v, okay, 2 is constant, so it is 0. So now putting the value of u, and now value of v, put the value of v, 3x minus 2 and into 3, 0 is no more. So 3 is brought at the front. Now 2 sine, we will apply sine 2 theta, because 2 sine cos 3x minus 2 format, so multiple angle can be adopted. So 3 sine 2 3x minus 2 equal to, since 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta, see 2 sin 3x minus 2 cos 3x minus 2 means 2 sin theta cos theta format is equal to sin 2 theta. So try your best to simplify the sum if possible, so your mark will be better. Now it is the final stage. 3 6x minus 4 within bracket. So main thing, the part you substitute, this is the answer. The part you do, just continue to multiply